digestive system helps.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಸರ್.
Rainy season, winter season. We take some transport for longer distances. There are 3 types of to it gives us energy to work and play. It is essential for our growth. It gives us light, yellow. Ready for stop. Red say stop. Green say go. Assalamualaikum. ये जिन्नो अलग हो के इंसान. The digestive system help our body to get energy from food. It begins in the mouth.
Very important to our life. Trees gives us fresh air to breathe. Plants and trees gives us fruits and vegetable. Plants and trees gives us wood, paper and medicine. Also, plants and trees.